Hello there, I'm here to try these TGI Fridays potato skins, bacon ranch flavor. Got these at the Dollar Tree for $1. And it looks like these are 150 calories for a serving size of 20 chips. That's a pretty good serving size.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's what the inside of the bag looks like. Getting a little bit of a smokiness from the bacon. I'm not really smelling ranch per se. What do you think? Here, take one. You definitely get the flavor of ranch right off the bat.
She wasn't interested.
You get a little bit of that smokiness, which I guess is what the bacon flavor is supposed to represent.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yeah, they're not bad.
they're not bad.
Yeah, I like them.
I mean, it's a good ratio of ranch and bacon.
And over
In either way.
intense, yeah.
Yeah. I'll look to see if I can find a link to these. If I can, I'll put it below. If you've ever had these, what were your thoughts? And if you have never had these, do you think you'd like these? Do you like bacon ranch flavored chips or crisps? I give these a 4 out of 5.
3.
You give out a 3 out of 5?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think they did a really nice job with what these are. So, Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next review. Bye.